Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to share with you how you can solve the JBL Clip 4 charging problem and what are the things that you can do. So the first thing that you can do is to, from the bottom, you are going to have and try different cables. So try different cable for charging the JBL Clip 4, not the original one, maybe it's not going to work anymore. So this is the first thing. Also, you can try different adapter or different USB port. Now, these are the two things that you can do. And always check if you have any dirt or something there that you can like clean it with a brush. The next thing that you can try to do, if you can turn it on, and if, let's say I'm going to charge it, I will show you right here. What will happen that if you're going to charge it, it's going to have this red/orange light that when it's charging. What you can do then is also do a factory reset. And how to do a factory reset? That you're going to hold the Bluetooth button and the plus button at the same time when it's going to be turned on. And when you're going to hold it, after a while, what will happen is that it's going to factory reset. See? So now it's done. So this is another thing that you can do. And then how to check the JBL and what is the volume of your battery. What you need to do is you need to go to your phone, and in your phone you're gonna have JBL portable, and in JBL portable you're gonna turn on, and then you're gonna find the JBL, and there you're gonna have the percentage of the battery life. So that's pretty much it. Have a great day and goodbye.